In this quick video tutorial, we're going to find out how to get an Etherspot API key through the Etherspot developer portal. So to start off with, we're going to go to this URL here, portal.etherspot.io. Now if this is your first time and you haven't registered yet, then we'll click this button here and you'll fill out your email address and other various details so that you can set up your account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click login here and just log right in. So then you'll get brought to this page here. You'll see bundler APIs and you'll want to click more info. Here we see the chains that we support currently with Etherspot, and you can scroll to the bottom and you can pick one of the plans that you want: free, developer, or startup. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll just set up a free account. So at the top here we can see for free plan we can go to cart directly to complete our request, or for the developer or startup plan you will be brought to this screen and you can check out using Stripe to pay. So as I said, I'm just going to go for the free plan for this tutorial. Then you'll be brought to this screen here. If you haven't created an app yet, we can create a new app here. I'll just create one called Taylor Test 4. You can add a description and redirect URLs if you want. I don't need this for now, so I'm just going to click Submit Request. Now that my request has been sent, I can view the app status in My Apps. And I can see my new app here, Taylor Test 4, which has been registered under the free plan. I'll click on this. And then here, I'm not going to display it here, but I can display my free API key, which I can then use for development using Etherspot's SDK. And finally, we'll look at instantiating the SDK with our bundler API key. So up here, I've just set the bundler API key to this variable called bundler API key. And when I call this prime SDK object to instantiate the SDK, I pass it in here as a parameter. In this example, all we're doing is getting the address of the Etherspot account. And as we can see, it works fine.